Yo, abusia for ye cheche mo ne anakwenso. Ye mo good morning. Ni kidi se mo hu ye pa. Sanso na yensu ye wode. Samde di ahwe so sanso na yensu ye hu ye. Anakwenso ya ba mo nchen. Na ye baba kasafa ebusianome. Ye sori ye se ebusianome ye jane ye nanu aye bone bebre. Na ye na ye tua ehu kaw. Yena yetu ahumu yawkaw ade ne kasa bebre a ye kafa busianu me ho nti ana akwai su ye baba kasa fa busianu me ho megidi sa Sam David e wo me nchen ho Bishop Sam David e wo me nchen ye baba kasa fa busianu me akasa krampo no se ye pese ye gi ye hu fi mu a ye be ye ne den ne ye tuni agi ye hu afi busianu me mu ana busianu me no nya ade a ye yi ye hu fi mu a enye ya na ni nyina ye ba behwe mu asem ne yaka na se ye yi ye hu fi ma ye ya kwan ben so na ye dofa anse na ye betumi agi ye hu afi busianu me mu ama na ye ye ana onu de ya de ye wo ho uyi hu fi ma enye ye ni nyina ye ba behwe mu asem aka na Bishop owo me ncha ho anu mu anakwai ti me kɔne nkyɛn mama na akɔ ba Bishop mu akɔ aba
Apostle me that say
akɔ mu ti sɛn
nyame na do
ye da Onyankopɔn sɛ
ubani uyiri mu
o
so
me nyame adɔ ho ma yo mu ye pa no wo pa wo yide safo ma me so ne ne ma ho ye
obia
ye da Onyankopɔn sɛ na pɛ asamba Sunday channel so na ye ba ba hwɛ abusianu mie kura ayade a ye gi ye mfi ma eyeye ana ye gi ye mfi mu ama ne yeye nti ye ba ba hwɛ ne aka ho asɛm na sɛ ye gi ye mfi ma ne yeye kwan bɛn so na ye betumi afa agi ye mu afi busianu mu ama na yeye nti ene ye wɔ ha yi na obaka bibi kakra afa ho ama etiefo a omo ehwe Sam David TV
be that say generational curses ewo ho
okay
generational curses, family curses, it is there.
Okay.
It is undisputable facts.
Say idea wo ho
you can't take yourself out of it.
Wow.
And every family, whatever where you are in the whole world, that generational curses has the guarantee to visit you.
Hey,
to either make you good or bad. He has the license to do that.
Wow.
As long as you bear the name of that family,
okay.
As long as you have the blood of that family, that generational curses or family curses has opportunity over you or has authority over you.
Like I said, the moment you are to busiano, office busiano, sa busiano, mojana, ewo, money yano, sa busiano, me no, to you also say, baby, I will be out to me monitor.
But when God wanted to sacrifice for humanity,
okay.
There are people he can use.
Wow.
But he has to give somebody who is closer to him than any other person.
Okay.
So he gave his only begotten son. That is his blood.
Okay.
Generational curses is important. Look, when we go to TB Joshua, who is dead now,
yeah.
He had generational curses he must dealt with.
Okay.
He must have dealt with or he has forgotten.
Okay.
When did he die at the age of 57 years?
I don't know. Just
so ask, who is TB Joshua's brother? Which year did that person die?
Before.
What of the mother? What of the father? Okay. You realize that they have a trend.
Just 45 years and now 57 years.
There are people you will not cross till you have to die. It is family.
Yeah.
So you can be strong as anything. You will sleep and you will not wake up.
Okay.
You will not cross it. Wow. There are people you will cross up to even 120 years and it's not possible for you to die. But here a petty woman.
Yes, sir.
I'm telling you.
Wow. It is a see and when you yeah, when you know your own a crown was a bit to me as Siano coin. Your own coin say, but me as Siano coin said, ya bay ya. You moon is ano, you bet me your corn if you say. You bet me a very easy, sir.
Because Moses in the Bible face the same thing.
It's almost a fish heavy.
Yeah, he has a family anger. because Moses came from Levite.
Okay. Of Leva bushia.
Yeah.
Nti na yɛ sɛ ɔwɔ bushia no mi a.
Abrana ɔmo Leva for ɔmo baba ko pɛ yɛ friend no Dinah.
Okay.
Ɔmo kɔ repeat Dinah.
Yeah.
Nti ni brothers so say there be ɔmo mpeni. Nti ni papa ɛna ya ɔmo twa kɔtima papa fofo. Nti ɔmo ka kyerɛ ɔmo sɛ yɛ papa si yɛ ba bɛ twa kɔtima nti ɔmo. So after cutting on be share them no more that am nipa
okay
answer
okay
omu ntumi nya ya
bia okay
omu koku omu bebre afomo oba afomo aka
ho okay
ahon na mo ni papa bufu ye
okay
no say bufu we na be wo mo sa because ni papa someone repeat by omu ntumi yes omu ni body
tia bonika Yes, omu papa kasa na dumi omu. Wow. Nti obi omaye boni ati omu no.
Nti ahona Moses free.
Okay.
Nti ba mo say Moses na kuma anye.
Hande papa.
Kakra pe na kuma. Nti my generational fighting we know fighting on to me and get into the promised land.
Okay.
That's the point.
Wow.
Well, it does not respect anointing.
Just a
be an archbishop. Even God himself respects that generation like that. God himself respects it. If not, Adam and Eve will not sin for God to sacrifice. God will say, but he must sacrifice.
Because I saw Obama for it.
Yes, generational curses. I will hope. Generational curses will hop papa. And yes, look at this. You were Jacob and there were Esau.
Yeah.
Bible says there are two nations. So as now we have to have somebody, a nation that will be for the Esau nation and then Jacob nation. But the descendant we are having now is for only Jacob. And that God of Israel got Jacob. God of Esau will be about that. Did the banner war born in an Amoyira, a home yes, Christo Nidia, Kika, free by David Nina, Benjamin Nina, but almost, oh my God, you cannot deny it.
Just want to me, you Inti sisi ano na se abaya adisu eda yeso a de bia ye fom atiti
yes
de bia ye fom hawo no nti kwambe so sani awoye odifo ya wo ye spiritual man nti kwambe ani ho a ye mu bia mu se bia mi se bia me busua nu me no e bia me ye masam me ye twomamosam on masam me wo ye kura ho a me sa twa we e bia no na ye busua nu me na da me so kwambe so na matumi ayi meti afisa niama no se ne abaya enni machi nti kwambe ani ho a obetumi aboa ye na ye wo se tibie no mu obetumi afi mu
hwe obia ni kwan a obefa so
okay
bebi a wo
se kwan a me befa so na bia wo ntumi mfa sa kwan
da bi obia bebi a wo se na wo di fruit no sa ho na obefa sa
okay
yes I hear you
okay
and yes I hear you
wow Nti ano mafa ha no si afosoro nti eza me fa ho no musane nti ne sane ne bia kwan a me fa so fuye no me hu se ye easy mami ana me de fuye na so me sane aba na afi de me ntumi nsane nti kwan foforo bia ne ho ye batu ya kyereme a me de be sane aba fom
no nti na ye wo ha
okay
nti ye be hwe no
okay
so generational curses
abusia no me
generational curses. Whatever you do, it follows you.
We are there, I do it. We need Archbishop Crap or I do it.
Archbishop, on the friend of Archbishop.
There's already only movie.
They say the sound isn't good. Please check us. Oh, the sound. Oh, yeah. Data cry here, I drink. Okay, please check it again. Check it again. If there's something- She says, "Sound no ya na." Generational curses. People travel to countries. Then they say, "Oh, media. How is my problem as a person?" When I touch this one, it doesn't work well. When I do this one, it doesn't work well. No, sit down. Check your father or your mother. Marriage, when a person comes to my life, then he goes. After helping the man, he goes. After helping the woman, he goes. Check your mother. Check your father. And as simple as ABC. So when you with free more, generational curses does not respect abrochu. It does not respect color. It does not respect the position.
Just I spirit into the moment of fish that was your time.
Who blow in your position? Who took one plan now? But give to me more. But when you come and you are in a village, your family, you are useless. That one you are forgetting.
Because only move you. Only move so only move. No more to cry. I will say we are the phobia, we are teaching phobia, but now I beg you soon.
Asama is very important because when you look at Elijah was very powerful. Very, very powerful. Now, when you look at the descendants of Methuselah, they are people who grow very old before they die. Check their history. And there are people they don't grow very old. When you go to the house of Jesse, Jesse is the one open Baba. He likes women. He gave birth to David. David also likes women. He gave birth to Solomon. Solomon they are now. Yes. Do you understand the point? No. So Elijah, you realize that Elijah was very powerful to command fire from heaven down.
Yeah.
But the servant who is Elisha was even more powerful than Elijah because the Bible made us that he gave double of what he has to Elisha. And Elisha was performing a lot of miracles. Elisha is the one that can command a jackal from the bush, lion from the bush. Well, the master who has the small anointing flies to the air.
Yeah.
So the one who has double anointing there must call heaven and enter. But he died like ordinary person.
Wow.
Because of the family. Gehazi cannot prosper because of the family he's coming from. So Gehazi served under Elisha, but he received curses. Yes. Because of the family he's coming from.
Wow.
That is their family curses. Okay. There is this man called the name is it Agbara? Is it Agbara? Something like that. He's a Nigerian. He traveled to all the continents of the world, but he could not prosper.
Wow.
He has not even gotten single room in his hometown. He came back without anything. He came back without anything. Now he was moving, and they explained to this man that the name this Agbara was from your great grandfather because of your signing.
Okay.
What happened was they were not giving birth to a male child.
Okay.
And it's a throne.
Yeah.
So he went to Agbara.
So
Agbara gave your grandfather this male child.
Wow.
So they gave the name Agbara to that child because they adore, they accept, they are happy.
Okay.
So that is how come the sign name Agbara, you people are signing.
Okay.
And Agbara is the one, he gives male child, but he does not give prosperity.
Wow.
The more you are prospered, he takes the money
and
use it in form of a male child for you.
Wow.
So in the house, they don't have female child. People are crying. We need a female child. Oh, from some time. And as long as you have the blood and you have the name on you, you will never.
I want to if you are here. And then that's say, if you know why your son name will grant Bono, as I say, yeah, best, yeah, but Jack to you, so I say a year, and Sunday, I said, then I son name at your zoo. And now,
sir, because the signing, before you even open your eyes, your father have gone to school to sign that name for you. So that is what you also know, and then you are used to it.
And says, I don't know, no, 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 say, dear Barano, a Busubia, Nana, no more Coco G, a Buffy Hawk, I hear a dear on their throne. So I almost see on him, sir, Agbarani, just a Sunday man, I will use you, and send a chill baby until a dinner, a dinner young. Yeah, a dinner.
So we have two here.
Okay.
Your name, which is the sign name, will carry, and even the name they gave you. The meaning of they may give your name to be Samuel.
Okay.
But your father didn't understand Samuel.
Or no, they are any decade.
Or he knows some Samuel, the way he's a good hunter, the way he's fight very well. So he wants you to be like that. And he gave you the name Samuel. So if you grow today and you are looking at the interpretation of Samuel in the Bible, and it's okay, Samuel, God has heard me. Oh, when they never tell me, Papa, because that was not the purpose on which the name was given to you. So people grow today and they say, my name is Jennifer, Jonathan, and then they check, oh, this is the name, I have a good name. What was the reason why your papa? Say, they are fine. Do you understand? Because Hannah gave Samuel to the son because he prayed and he said, God has heard me. That is the name. That is the understanding of Hannah. So your Samuel could be the same spelling, but the understanding could be different. So the understanding of your father is now passes to your name. Now they call something in a way Ahanunko. Yes, I say, Dibia, your bomber or Bian say your father Sanum Edin. I didn't know for different. Who study about tree and not a way and not local language. Your names, where they get the names from. Ahanunko Sanum drinking name. A Jonko, it means Juju name. And then we have strength name. So the signing comes from different areas before it comes. So you have to ask your father, where is the meaning of the sign name? Where did they get it from? Do you understand? Some name Amrane, and no more catch them when I ever done it. And I sign name.
Ebi nneɛma bi ɔyɛ no na yɛ bɔ ne mmraneɛ yɛ kɔso bɔ ne mmraneɛ papa wo deɛ ɔyɛ wonderful man nti sɛ wonderful man abɛyɛ ne san name.
Now before I enter more, something is happening and people are lost. I pray that when I go to TV station tomorrow I will say it. If I remember.
I remember.
People are lost. I want to categorically or emphatically say this. What is your sign name? Abebu. So your name is Abebu Sami. Is a son or is that okay? Good. What is your sign? Your son name? Your son the name?
My son name is Raymond Oplan Agito.
Why did you take Abebu?
Abebu is for my grandfather. The Agito is my father's name. That's why I give it to my son.
So your son must take your father's name. You take your grandfather's. Is that it? So okay. So your son, when your son gives birth, which name will he give to his son?
He give my. He turn back to my name.
Which your name is?
Sami Abebu.
Okay. Now your son is called Jonathan. So which name will they give to your son? Will give Jonathan what?
Jonathan Abebu.
No, you are lost. Somebody must help us. He's not trying to follow. You understand? I know he made a mistake, so I want to use him as an example for you to see That is why I am asking him. Today is the first time I'm asking him.
Yeah.
I've never asked him before.
I
know. I just want you to understand,
okay,
so that we all know where I'm riding from.
Okay.
My brother, you have taken your grandfather's sign name,
Yeah.
which is Abebu.
Abebu, yeah.
Sali Sali, you get me, which is Abebu.
Abebu, yeah.
Thank you. And the name they give to you, your father gave to you is Samuel.
Yeah.
So your name is Abebu Samuel.
Yeah.
You gave birth to a son.
Yeah.
Who is what? The name is what?
Raymond.
Who is Raymond?
Yeah.
And the Raymond, you didn't give Abebu to Raymond because Abebu is not his great grandfather.
Yeah.
So you gave your father's name. Who is who?
Agbito.
Agbito to Raymond. So
Yeah.
Raymond is signing. You are Abebu Samuel and Raymond is now Raymond Agbito.
Yeah.
Please, are you getting me? Thank you. So when Raymond give birth again, Raymond must give your name according to how you are going.
Yeah.
Raymond must give your name.
True.
So if Raymond's son's name is Jonathan, so it will be Jonathan Sami.
Abebu.
Wayira. Asama mi kane. Still Wayira. Wakoni chino.
Yeah. I get it. Yeah. I feel that my back.
Okay, fine. If Raymond give birth, where must he go to take Abebu? Tell me. Where will he take her?
No, not take Abebu. My name is Sammy.
No, me, I am not. Diawuye na me follow me.
Matu asepa meti dia wo kana asepa. Na mum no me nyansa mu no dia ntia me ye ne sane kire se e bia na me din no emayira. Me papa din emayira. So what in mention no.
Oh, don't worry. Ye the sika na be sisia. Me person ya hu bibi.
Oh yeah.
Because there are something going on. Even women, you can take your husband. Okay, it's very critical and it is destroying. We have to start to change the foundation today.
Wow.
Relax.
Okay.
I'm coming. This is no.
Okay.
Perceive it as human being.
Okay. Yeah.
So this is Abebu, your father.
Yeah.
So this is Sami.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. What's your father's name?
My father. Kofi.
Oh, I don't know what's inside.
No. My father's name is Kofi Abebu.
Good.
Kofi Abebu.
Okay. What has it? Oh, Abebu ni.
Yeah.
Abebu awu wine.
Abebu. Abebu Kofi.
Kofi ni sign name here then.
Abebu.
So Kofi Abebu.
Yeah.
And Abebu awu Sami.
Yeah.
And Sami abefa wedi atumi so.
Yeah. Abetu.
Wedi bi wo jampi ba ko.
Wajapi ni papa.
Nti we ba oba jampi we no ofa we.
Enye
sa na wo ye no. Enye sa na wo ye no. So what you assess and let's come back to I was saying again. Nti me kire wo say wo ofa wo sign in there Abebu Sami.
Yeah.
What jampi ba ko ye wo nana. Enye wo nana bi na wo fa Abebu.
The old me papa o. Eni ni bi na di Abebu.
Your friend is saying enye wo nana.
Me nana.
Na me so fa wo nana di.
Yeah.
Good. Enti Raymond. Eye wo ba or your friend Raymond no.
Yeah, Raymond.
Raymond obefa onu so osi obefa ni na wo nana di enye.
Yeah, bi obefa onu ni nana. Ye me.
Onu ni nana.
Yeah, me papa.
Your friend is saying
Agbito.
Nti na your friend Raymond Agbito.
Yeah.
It is a Raymond so ba obefa wan.
They say Raymond wo ba
obefa ni nana ye wo.
Ye me.
Na your friend say
Your friend me Samuel Agbito.
Nti
Samuel Abebu.
Nti odi be na obefa Raymond so awuba obefa ni nana ye wo. Na Raymond ba ye Jonathan.
Nti se Raymond
Jonathan debe.
Obefa Jonathan Sami.
Obefa Jonathan Sami.
Yeah.
Sana ye no. Oh baby awa papa. Mujas we you. Oh baby awa kolo.
Ya say nyame hye obefa.
Oh baby awa kolo.
Se anu nanka wo hwe mu a se ne wo kyerɛ se anu nanka me hwan bi nanka sanka me fa. Se anu fa se me nana na di Abebu. Na me papa adi Kofi Abebu. Nti se anu a me papa wo me no nanka hwan nanka me fa ni sane.
Yo, oh, who dia ni ba? Ye yama wa ti wo
Oh
ase.
yeah, atie for nsu.
Iti say na wo ye no eye. Iti wo ba obefa Jonathan Sami.
Yeah.
No problem. E wo ho sa. So Jonathan Sami no. The day na Jonathan Sami. Tio Jonathan Sami. Akosh wo unia di.
Oh, mi wo mi nua no baby.
Unia no so ni ba wo a obefa no so ni di enye sa.
Yeah.
Unia ba ko le fe no say. Bema your friend say.
Bema ya odi Emmanuel Abebi.
So into anu so ni ba your friend Kojo Emmanuel because anu so the Emmanuel so Kojo Emmanuel.
Okay.
It is a John way back Raymond back. Aye Jonathan Sami. Akose Kojo Emmanuel obeye de am say
Yeah, busia.
Oh office ko bo be ne beba.
Ajigon. Ajigon.
Oh my god.
Ajigon. Ajigon.
No, listen, it is very important. Okay,
Yeah.
it's very important. There are families you have. They have two signings.
Yeah.
I didn't dispute to that, but the signing must continue. That's why if you get appear, anytime you give appear, you have an extension of appear family. Except the name of appear, you don't like it, and it's having effect, and you want to build another family.
Okay.
That is when you change it. You don't tell me your great friend that and you're not building a family. Africa is not like that. Africa is never so. No.
It's necessary. Nka the moment you mafa Samuel Abebu no. Se me wo ba. Ese me ba ni di Remona. Ese onu su di Remon Abebu.
Abebu. Ouba Abebu. So you have Abebu family.
It will be ti di nipa oni mi say busuan we no mu no. Hai ana omo.
Don't you know Osei family?
Yeah.
We have Osei family. Iti ade we wo fa wo nifa, wo sia wo nifa.
I mean su mi nyansa.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Yes, obi ni ma. Obi chire. Obi ni ma.
When the time I this na ma suru sa ma cash and chiro. Because you know no we are lost.
And yes sir point.
Debi yes sir. Nti we who say mo be fa brofodi Sami e be baby no obe who say where Uba okay who there this is Raymond Uba and now media or pair to the man in Samia and the other Sami eh anani gwa
Sami
na na
because again susu na ni papa pese o man the man ana ni na Sami
it's a Sami
that's right. Wow. Yeah.
You see, so we have to look at this signing. Me, my signing is Denu, D-E-N-O-O. So if you look at my brothers, my extended family, everything Denu. Except you are a lady and you are married, that one.
Yeah.
But when I'm not Denu, and if you listen Denu family, then and they are very Denu, like that. So my child is called Isabella Denu, Angel Denu. When they give birth, so Denu, we have that family.
Obiaba tidini poli mi say sa agusian we dia higher.
That is how we go. Yeah. That is the great father who hold the pillar. Except you want to change it because of 1 and 2 reading, it's different.
Yeah, different.
But who say Ayira, Bakunu de Ayira, no, so it's never done that way. So generational curses has a significant impact in our life, and it's very important. Wow. So if you are hearing me and you are listening to me everywhere, I'm going to teach simple method to break these curses from you. Go and think of your family, whatever is going through you.
Okay. Niyama ufamu usian money say busian we dia niyama we si na umufam.
It is not far from you. Okay. It is generational. It is only the generational spirit that is going to orchestrate an auntie or somebody elsewhere to juju or to witch you in for that thing to come in. The sickness you are going through, check out, it is generational.
Okay.
You get it? Yeah. So frankly speaking, I will let me see some messages.
Okay.
Mavis Boateng say good morning, Daddy. Thank you, Mavis. Shana will say hello, my dear. Shana will say, Papa, how are you doing? I'm doing great. Shana again will say, please, the sound isn't okay. We fix it. Sally will say hello, Sally. Shana will say, all right, Papa, the sound is fine now. Thank you. God bless you. Linda Kumi will say, good afternoon, Papa. Thank you. Good afternoon. Frank Anno will say, Deuteronomy 28 verse 7. The Lord shall cause thy enemies that rise up against thee to be smitten before thy face. Okay, they shall come out against thee one way. Okay, and flee before thee 7 times. Okay. Frank Arnold, good morning. You doing great work. Thank you. God bless you, Mr. Frank. Frank Arnold, Frank suffer with your back. Bismarck. Frank, is your sign name Arnold? Oh, I'm on Facebook and I'm on Fabra for the
it is a need to problem by the crowd.
So no one plan to buy no catch me so no na friend Frank. But me to me who say you. But there are some names if it comes from an area I will just know.
Yes, sir. Mrs. Yano, quiet room. Now, Castle for a baby family. A baby be a near Kroma, you know what to say if he.
Okay, we call see your friend Samuel, Samuel. But that's just Samuel.
I don't know. I don't know. They said,
this man, Kennedy. I think he is also a pastor.
Okay.
See, I trust you. You are the really prophet one. Yes. You are not fake. Thank you. God bless you for commending me. All right. So you pick an egg.
Okay.
Egg represents humanity, human being. Yeah. Egg. Now, egg represent human being. Cat represent human being. Dove represent human being.
Wow.
Cattle or cow represent human being. Those 4 animals represent human being. Dog also represent human being, but dog is used in different ways. Okay. So if you are dying, those are the animals they can use to sacrifice for you in order to survive. Yes. So egg is the nearest thing you can take. That is why I'm mentioning egg. So you pick an egg. The day that you are born, 12 o'clock midnight, go out naked.
Outside.
And face where the sun rises from.
Okay.
If you cannot, you can do it at your backyard.
Okay.
You pick the egg, you turn it the long side, then you write your name, your full name there. It should cover the side up. Make sure. You don't write it big, you don't write small, it cover. And then, if you are married and you are a woman, you add your maiden's name to it. This is why Uba Samuel. Or by your owners, the Richard cases done. Because I bet we already from this office. I would say, that's what Hannah.
It's true. That's what I feel. I'm about
when you write it like that, then you start to pray about what is happening to you.
Yes,
what is going on? You by pointing it to your forehead, rubbing it to your forehead, alongside you rub it in your body. You continue to do that by 30 minutes to 45 minutes by prayer. Leave the egg, fetch water in a black bucket, add sugar, salt, and then honey to it. Go back and sleep. Set an alarm.
Put this animal never fresh soon, and you see what? No, I got that.
So that the dew will fall on it.
Okay, what you put the other yard in 12 o'clock New Year. Now, I have a back rubber. black one na wase nsuo gum na wo de nchini ene sugar ene honey wo de afra ne nyina na wo de asi ho na wa kokoda okay
you leave the egg there
na wo beja ko se na to ho.
If your family members doesn't want you to bring out,
okay,
you will come and the egg will not be there.
Wow.
You will come, the egg will be broken.
Wow.
Then you have to do it another time again.
I say, we say you know how we see what only one in the
career.
I say, wow.
Who bet to us why everyone bet so good see about 5 and not 10 as wow. Two bet that's why
very good.
Ebi o pay back na fa.
Okay.
We are 5 o'clock, Neko 4 junction. Junction I 1, 2, 3, 4 routes. Uchika 4 routes. Okay. A honor back up pine Kusiano or Abba few without looking back. But who sorry 5 years show what I did.
Okay, we show normal dress.
When you come and bath without cleaning your body and you sleep with it.
Okay.
That is a simpler ways you can bring the English cases by the use of egg. Because the egg is
a few kusia. Enya brofo de ani bi be ye fie kusia nkwa na mo na fie
brofo de ani mostly enya kusia mo di machine enya akoko na ye o
enti no
enti da na chua tin enya
na mu
rubber bi na machine na manufacture na
ye di ne mo
di bibia wo di so wonu na wo say kusia keke no a
na so na ye di adifofo
abetumi ye full machine polishing na wo di enya de kra wo di say kusia
na position abakra wo di kra wo ti test bia
iti aya fie nkosia wo fie nkosia bi ni nhu a wo be say ayesa
na nti seni ya wo pesa wo kire ye general cases ya de ba breki nti na wo di ahoma tuntun abom na alligator pepper so di ahoma tuntun aso no to na wo pesa wo di kire ya na ade foforo ho a wo batumi asa ya kire
we me nyende maybe ochina we your friend Azinobi.
Okay.
Wunya so munya boni di Azinobi pe. Wu so mwenye na eko.
Okay.
Na eko because 2 minutes wo na eko round. Wunya boni di Azinobi pe. Amani wo me sabo be ko se na egani. One day be ye no ni program different.
Wow.
Na egani. Enti bi bona ni si bi sabo ade foforo bi. Na mi si hey wo be mo sa agina straight on the spot.
Commanding and not a stop.
Unya bibia ye. Ebi o chinama dislike TV.
Wow.
That's right. So we should become one in the night.
That's right.
Oh.
Yo na ka be se mu because wo ba be kire ye se ye mfu akosia nda ne busia no me. Na afi kosia no ya kire ahoma wo mu.
Kosia de ya de bebere.
Wow.
We your friend Azinobi man no come.
Adia eye kukuro bia no ye ntumi mfa homa nchichire so what
the bi manya what chichire ka ba chichire
that's right
so we nya kwa we kwa
mati wase
ba wu me de we ma wa dia ma wo no ntumi nchichire ma na chichire
that's right
anka me no di ba ku ba pa na mi dia ama wa chichire ma na because any shape I will be chichire nti na your friend Azinobi man no come ba ye to meet chichira pa na chichira because anya kwa anya sa nti bi bi show nsama be chichira ba chichira wo to wo de achichi anu de wo di bisa de
okay
wo di hwe kwan sha ba ye we ba ye we you understand wo di bisa
niam
ye wo kwan mu do ye di bisa we bi duru no dia wo be catch no say be be mu ebe jina na ebe ye wi ba enye wu na obeye ti sa wu was atumi na
sana nti wo commande pe
na estati movie
nti sa ebe ye ya ebe jina na wan wu sa ade ne be se nkoso njina de na sa ade na
e depend maybe dia wu pese wu na obeka kire no
okay
sa wu jina nu kire se wu njina nu na kire se wu na obeka de bia ni dia wu beka
kire no obeye okay atiase
just we Azinobi nti ni nyina be hye wo yem anu ye we yam fa nya hwe nti mi so fufuro mo metumi achichira ma na ye wo chichira nya ye Azinobi man no kam de vi ma yem ye be da chi podo ye uka
ampa so akwala de onu hwe ya obetumi akofuru dua no mo ha na wate ati na panimu de oboye de akofuru dua sa ofukra nyansa kakra wo
Anything that is says, my people, I want you to get this and then break generational curses out of you. Yeah. Well, we'll do another program today too.
Okay.
This is just afternoon, midday in Ghana.
Yeah.
In the somewhere 4 or 5
Okay.
in Ghana time, we shall be coming to do another program, which was another program. Now I am settling small, so I will be enrolling programs.
Okay.
Program Beba Bibri Yam Super. And I mean,
omo outside. Now omo share. Omo tie sisi ano. Nti so omo su ohun say wa di nani atu ne busu me say dabi e bia ye busu mu no ye nya 50 years, ye nya 70 years, ne ye wu akọ me mame so, akọ me mame ni nua so. Saa na di so no. Nti e so share ne so say e ye busu ano me.
Yes, ana ni pache. Nti nipo mo outside and nipo mo outside. Ghana for baby, person ikunya and selfish.
Yeah.
Baby, man that's what money.
Yeah, ebinom.
A majority.
Okay.
So the main patch say outside the world what the way many papa. What you say? But I mean ma would draw efa ball ba never will go see no na you tifra see. But I don't give you keke. Bring yourself. Take me as your spiritual father. People don't know how to take spiritual father. You see Sally.
Yeah.
The day at first open woman no. Now I do baby of friend me fa. But the lady continued to call. The day of Benjamin fine in boom food that. Me me kaso say daddy me I know. Daddy I know your working I know. You see oh me himself but say with you. You want so I gave my wife number to her.
Okay.
That we nyame afre me wife. I don't have a answer no back Ghana. And I ya be busia ba ko. Eti as I'm here na the number but I was saying finally catching the same my busy
kakra.
One say na brabo tie. Some people want say me friend say oh daddy me pese wo be me spiritual father me so me jitu mu a enu anu no I was saying me friend na me ye wo say don't forget that I was say who na be force who wo me answer because I'm dealing with thousands of people.
Okay.
Who na be force who pa ama me answer na me ho. But one buy what na has here your friend Kate. First all buy or friend bia me nim no. I say oh Kate o me na says okay. Ye buswa edu baby me be store ni number.
Okay.
And then we check out me friend in there. Sana brabo mu tie. Me dey want to be friend in there na ma store number.
Eh na say enye business bia onini ya obaka say ma store.
So to be special, who be throw within one day panakuma. It depends what you do.
Okay.
Do you understand? Yes. As a spiritual father, spiritual father, me say, you don't look for the father, so obey your father thing first before you do the son or daughter thing. No.
So we a bad ma eja.
Onu na una here. You have to prove him wrong.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Okay.
And son and Adri Beba is wrong. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Because everyone has a spiritual father. All right. Now, you can say you are spiritual father, and at the end of the month, you don't even send anything.
Just intensity the crowd in ma.
Who see Juma here? We just have 1 month, 2 months, 10 months. No, I have to check out for this.
Now send your buyer the Pia. Or send your buyer on super deep.
So I am just saying that.